Okay, so in this video we're going to continue making our Lego. We've um, extruded our tops, and now that I'm looking at this, I'm second guessing the height of these, but that's okay. Um, we're just going to go with it for now. We've also included the circles and our extrusions along the front face, and now, because we've only done it to one side, we need to go ahead and create those extrusions on the back side, or mirror them. And we've done mirrors when we've done our die, so this should be somewhat familiar. Maybe some of you again need to just do things a little bit more. That practice will make you better. Alright, so if we do, up here, let's go up to construct, and there's a couple different kinds of planes. We have a mid plane or an offset plane. As we discussed these previously, you could do either one of these, as long as you could do offset plane and choose a face, and then as long as you know that distance to the center of this, and if our depth is 8, half of that would be at 4, so you could choose this and offset it, or you can choose a midpoint plane. If you have some really complex geometry and you're not sure about the middle point, we can go ahead and choose this option, and I think I'm going to do this and just choose, what I've done is I've chose both faces. Okay, so this face over here on the left side, and then this face over here, and it shows me these two faces up here. So I'm going to click OK then, and as you can see, it's put that plane right in the center of our Lego. Now, what we can do now is go back. Now that we have our plane established, we can go up here to our create and mirror, and again those questions come up. Let's ask it what it is that what it's asking us, and answer those questions. And this may be a little bit difficult because of where that plane is. And again, I don't know if it's browser, but previous you could choose what exactly it is that you wanted to, whether it be a feature, or, and you can come down here in your timeline and just choose that feature or extrusion, or and I don't know if there's a way. Again, it's just my unfamiliarity with switching to the Chromebooks and that sort of thing this year. So I'm still learning. Bear with me through this transition, guys. You guys are doing a great job. Keep up the good work. So it doesn't seem to let me do that. So I think I need to do, again, the faces. So I need to go down through each one of these, little tedious, and choose the donuts and the inside face of each of these. I don't know if it's allowing me to do this, or if I need to hold on the shift key to select them. It appears I do. So make sure you hold the shift key in. As we go down through and we select each of these. Again, Autodesk is doing their best as far as the browser version goes, and it'll be really, I think, really neat to be able to do this entirely, or to see what other features they allow down the road on a browser version, since they're switching all of the accounts to Fusion Team. But currently, a little lagging, but all good things come in time. Alright, so I've chose all of these. The front face and the side wall of the extrusion, and now it's asking me, once I have those all selected, I can go down here, choose my mirror plane, and I want to ensure that I choose this, the plane that we created in the last step. We click OK, And for the big reveal, let's go ahead and change it. And all but one, I didn't get that face. So that's an easy fix, not a big deal. Again, it's a little difficult trying to go back and forth. If I come to this mirror and I double click, I can still go in here and I can edit, make sure I'm on faces, and I can still go in here and add that other face that I missed. So don't worry if you don't get them all the first time. You can go back in and add them. So um, that's creating the holes or the faces on each the front and the back of our Lego. Next, in our next video, we'll go back down and create the shell and the features on the underside of our Technic Lego.